How to make a man value you. Hey everyone. Have you ever wondered what truly makes a man value you? 1. Showcase your independence. First things first, independence is attractive. Show him you have your own passions and goals. To set boundaries. Next, set clear boundaries. Respect starts with knowing your limits. 3. Communicate effectively. Communication is key. Make sure your thoughts and feelings are heard. 4. Focus on self-care. Take care of yourself. When you value yourself, others will too. 5. Celebrate your achievements. Share your successes. A man who values you celebrates your victories. 6. Support his goals. Support his ambitions. Mutual encouragement strengthens your bond. 7. Be understanding. Everyone has bad days. Show understanding and patience. 8. Maintain trust. Trust is vital. Be honest and dependable. 9. Show appreciation. Don't forget to appreciate him. Gratitude goes a long way. 10. Be authentic. Lastly, be yourself. Authenticity builds a genuine connection. Which of these tips resonates with you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more relationship tips. Together, let's create stronger, healthier